when using a Western style saw, we normally saw up with the fibres. If we're using a Japanese saw and we cut down with the fibres, it'll become quite snatchy. You'll be better to saw from the back on an up stroke, and therefore the fibres are being supported as you cut the timber. See how it goes with this bit of English brown oak. So to get the saw started, I'm actually going to use a few of the cross-cut teeth to get the saw established. When I'm happy with that, I'm going to flip the saw over and use the ripping teeth for the rest of the cut. And use my thumb. It's just a bit of a starting reference point, one-handed grip to start off with. Once I get that saw established, I'm going to flip the saw over and go to more of a two-handed cut and then slightly uphill. If I go to a downstroke, you can hear it's catching a lot more. You can hear that the timber wants to be cut in this up direction for a Japanese rip cut.